What up, yo? I just hooked up a new horn to my truck. Guy from this is a box that came in from boomblasters.com. I'll show y'all. I'll do y'all a favor. Get 20% off if you buy something from these motherfuckers. Use coupon code 20OFF at boomblasters.com. I ain't getting paid for this shit, but these motherfuckers owe me something for this little product fucking whatever the hell, you know what I'm saying, where I'm promoting their shit for free. So, anyways, let's try this bitch out. I haven't tried it yet. I just hooked it up. There's 4 sounds. It came with this remote. That was A right there. We're gonna try B. See what that is. Yeehaw! Alright, let's try C. Oh, this is fucking awesome. Fuck yeah. That shit's pretty fucking loud, actually. Oh, so my neighbors are gonna be so pissed. Alright, let's try the last one, D. I was more prepared for this shit. You'll have to picture fireworks and shit up in the background over there. Boomblasters.com, bitch. I like my horns loud. Fuck yeah. God, that was so fucking awesome.